Alright, back in our shop expansion project here. I don't know how well you can hear me because the freaking wind out here is unbelievable. But we got our foundations in a while ago. We started this video back in March. And here we are now in August. We're going to be putting up posts today, getting all that kind of stuff lined up. Here's all of our lumber we got to use. Got the trusses over there. So we're going to be getting things started here on the inside and go from there. So let's get after it. All right, well, day one, really it's day like 3, but day 1 of framing is in the books. It's about 4:30. It was about 90 degrees today. Luckily there was a pretty heavy breeze all day that kept us sane. But yep, we got them all up. I believe there's 17 posts. Yeah, these two right here, they're pretty tall. So more work tomorrow on it, putting some other boards up, securing everything together, taking some measurements so we can order some more lumber, and yeah, then we'll be getting these trusses up here soon, hopefully next couple weeks. Kind of a slow process here for us, but we're getting it. All right, next day now, it's I think it's Thursday. Today's Thursday, August 12th. The day after we put the posts up. Today I'm working on putting the girders in place, and I'm making the connection into the existing building here. You can see. Let me turn this off before I get demonetized. I had to take the siding off the old shell here. It's all steel on the inside of this one, and make some framing up. so I can secure my girders to this next piece so we have a flawless seam all the way across. So now I'm just kind of working on putting girders up, tying into the building here, so I can put my steel siding back up and seal the building up. It's all the way through open now, so that's what we're up to. All right, we got the first section of wall here with all the girts on it, as far as we know. Possibly one more just above in there, but we got to figure out where the header board goes first before we do that. So this section's done. Now we're gonna go over the other corner. I gotta do the same thing. I gotta open it up, frame in, connect it to the other building, and then run across. This is opening for a garage door. We gotta measure and order our glued board, and then we should be in good shape. All right, so I got moving on this side. A little bit smaller, there's some steel to take off, but working on doing some math, figuring out how I'm gonna box this in. Here comes Randy Bobandy. He's just saying what great work I'm doing. Framing this thing up, you know. Catch 22. But yeah, tomorrow, more math, getting this all tidied up and run our girders all the way down around.
Cart's just begging for mercy. That poor lift.
You're fighting a good fight yourself. You feel anything yet?
How are you?
Back on the job today, we have Sir Honks-a-Lot, Bob the Builder here, getting this thing wrapped up today. We should have it all sided, concrete floor and everything done by tonight. So yeah, we're getting after it, getting these girders on, and I got it all tied to the building now. And yeah, honk yeah. Alright, Friday afternoon, a little update. Got the siding back on. Got all these girders back on. Siding on just so it's somewhat weather tight for the weekend. And really until we get the other siding here, working on putting up these girders right now. We're actually almost towards the end here. But it just sinks these last two posts. They gotta be cut, every single one of them. None of them overlap. So, yeah, we're getting her. Alright, it's Sunday, September 5th now, and I'm just coming back to the site here. We've been on and off this for a little while. So the last thing we were doing was putting up the girders, and since then we got the LVL in place. You can see that a glued board. I got the garage doors framed up. It's a 12 by 12. You can see that now. I got my man door in, or framed up with the header board. Still got to put the grade board on. That's what all this is over here. Kind of got it cleaned up in here. Got all the lumber out of here. And now we have this 8 by 8 framed up, all ready to rip. So now the trusses are ready to go on. We got a little bit more work before we can do that. Probably one more day of just messing around before we can set the trusses, because what we're working on now, I had to up here you can see that galvanized looking piece. I gotta cut just like that all the way up to the peak, and then back down that side. That light's got to come off. The vent here's got to come off, so we can attach a board up there so the purlins have something to sit on, so the roof will be level with the existing, similar to what we did over here with the siding up against the existing walls. So that's our next project, is going to be getting all that down, light down. We're going to do that right before we put the trusses up, so we can run a boom lift or something to go up to that peak, and we'll just keep it for a couple days so we can set the trusses. And our plan is to get the trusses up and get the purlins all on, and then maybe all these bracings can come down that we got up that are in the way. And if things work out, we might have steel in for the roof. Well, we got some roofers here. We'll put the roof on, get that out of the way. So the roof will be on, then we got to put siding on and go from there. Meanwhile, we bought this this truss boom lift here for the skid steer. It's supposed to be able to extend 26 feet in length. That's from here out that way. So you have the lift height of the machine, which is probably like 165 inches, which is what is that, over 12 feet, 12, 13 feet, plus another 26 feet. That's extremely high. So that'll be awesome. And then after that, I don't know what we're going to use this thing for. Maybe we just hang a flag from it or something, 4th of July, 50 feet in the air. But got the grade boards. There's on my pressure treated grade boards. I got to put those on still. So like I said, one more day at work, cutting all the siding, putting grade boards on, and we should be ready to slap some trusses up. We got to mark out where the trusses land. We'll be golden. So that's what we got, and that'll wrap up this video. So remember to stay tuned for the rest of this project, as it's going to be coming up. Hopefully this will be done. Well, we're going to be working on it this winter inside, but we're looking to have concrete poured around October, November. Hopefully garage doors on before it snows, and then we're going to tinker on the inside nice and slowly. So that's what we got. So remember, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below what you think. I like to respond to as many comments as I can possibly get to, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.